Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove text box background in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to remove the text box background. Go to the text box pages and select the text box. And we can see here have a background. Now we want to remove this, select the text box and enable the text frame option. And we can see here the fill color. Now we select the fill and choose none. Then select the stroke and choose none. Then click outside of the text box and close the window. Now we can see we remove the text box background very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.